Good morning, everybody. Here we are at the Elk Knob Summit Trail. It's a 1.9 mile trail, one way, right, Donna?
One way.
Up to the summit. We should get some great views. Trail's a little bit different than yesterday, not as wide, well manicured. We probably will not see a horse, but it's going to be a great hike. It's a beautiful day, but it's a little chilly here. It's a little surprising. It's so cold. So we are off, and I will show you some things along the way. Bye, y'all. So I've done this trail one other time before with my family, and it's a really nice trail. They've put in a lot of work on it. Lined up the rocks alongside the trail here, and just nice and graded really nicely. There's some steep parts to it, and they rate it as moderate to strenuous, but there's only one part that was a uphill, was completely strenuous. I might hit some more here, but so this is Elk Knob State Park. It's not a long hike, but it's close to Boone. So if you're in Boone, traveling and want to hit some good trails in the mountains, this would be a great place to be. Here comes Donna. There she is. She's filming me and I'm filming her. All right. I'll show you more in a little bit. Wow. This part of it is just a view, and it keeps going up. Yeah. Still, but look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh my. That's beautiful. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? So we're on top of almost to the very top, but this is the south view of Elk Knob. And that big mountain right there is Grandfather Mountain. And then apparently further out that way is Roan Mountain and Big Bald, according to the sign that's up here. So, but it is a beautiful day for a hike. Absolutely beautiful day for a hike. All right, I'm going to put you away until we get to the north view. Yeah, it would help if they did.
did, but it was, it's especially with the sun on it, it's like so washed out. It's like really hard to get a good.
Funny. Oh, here it is. Okay. Whoop, wrong way. Hey, everybody. So we got to the north view up here at Elk Knob, and well, that was fun because up walked a man with a big old pack on his back, and I asked him if he was training for something, and apparently he's training for the Appalachian Trail. He'll be out in Springer next week doing, I guess, down a shakedown hike for 200 miles, and then he's doing some other things like the Foothills Trail. But then he's starting, when did he say? February?
Of 24.
But do you remember February 6th or something?
It was early in February.
Whew, really early in February. Holy cow, he's gonna be cold. But good for him. At least he's getting started. He wants to beat the crowds. So had a really nice conversation with him. He doesn't have a trail name yet. However, he might have a trail. He might have picked one. What is it? Hold
my beer.
Hold my beer. So if you're looking for a hiker next year and you start seeing somebody hiking around February or an Instagram account or something, look for Hold My Beer. All right, so we're headed down, back down, and it's a whole new set of muscles going downhill than it is going uphill. So downhill always seems easy until you go downhill, and then all those muscles that you're using kick in. So anywho, see y'all later.